What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
So I was at Home Depot buying some lumber, and I was pushing my Subaru in the back of my Subaru. And I usually keep my phone in my right pocket, and I push the lumber against my leg, and then that's how it cracked it.
Correct.
That's how it happened.
Don't worry, I got you.
You got it.
Treat time for ice.
Nice.
Screen is fixed. We are going to clean this bad boy and this case. We have to clean the speakers.
Oh, yeah, I am.
We have seen the worst, right?
Oh, yeah.
Change the color.
Yeah.
What is this, pizza?
See?
You see the dirt already, right? The moment you all have been waiting. Your phone is ready, sir. Now clean.
Nice.
Speakers, everything, and the case. Here, the front. This is broken still. And this part too. And this is the back. The best it can be. Oops. Here we go. I'll put them all together again.
Beautiful. Nice, man. Beautiful. Love it.